Baby Jonathan's having his food in his high chair for the first time today. He seems to be liking it. Hey. Hey. Whoa. What's this? Over here. He was following my spoon earlier. Like, what is that? What is that all about? Is that yummy? They're doing so good. Good job. Come on, Mom. Don't stop.